Hey, g'day, it's Craig from KickAss Products, and look what I've got, our new 160 watt solar blanket. It's a bloody ripper. Let's show you how easy it is to set up. Just pull the Velcro away there, lay it on the ground. Look at that, you're ready to rock and roll. The best thing about this, look, they're A-grade monocrystalline cells. It's ETFE coating, so it can handle all the weather extremes that Australia's going to throw at you. What we've done is we've taken extra care and put extra reinforcing along the edges here where all the wiring goes, so you can rest assured that every time you pack it up and unpack it, you're not going to do any damage to the wiring. It's a bloody great idea. So we've got extra heavy duty nylon canvas that's actually UV stabilised and fade resistant, and a bloody ripper of an idea is the bag is actually part of the outside case. Comes with a little included pouch. Now, this not only houses the 5-metre cable that you get with the KickAss Anderson style connectors with the protective covers. Setup is so easy. What you've got your little connector here with a protective cover on it. All you need to do, plug it into the 5-metre cable that it comes with, into whatever solar regulator you're using. Happy days, you can start charging your battery. Now, this solar panel is actually compatible with all our DC-DC chargers, our MPPT controllers and our PWM controllers, and most other ones on the market. Check out our extra heavy duty mounting tabs, just in case you want to mount it in a different direction, something like this, or you may want to, put it on a windscreen or something like that with sort of everything. Check those out. You can even chuck it on your canopy. I'll show you how easy it is to pack up. All we got to do is fold it over, fold her up, KickAss new 160 watt solar panel. Head over to the website and grab one now.
If you want to see more videos from KickAss, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. We're always bringing out videos on geeky 12 volt stuff, new products and more. Thanks for watching.